Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding a payment card to Wallet. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and either scan your physical card with the camera or type the number exactly. Once done, you must verify the card. Choose SMS, your bank's app, or a quick phone call for the code. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled in settings so authorization is instant. This links authentication to payment and prevents accidental charges. Next, set your default card and authorization method. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, and pick the card you want as default. This saves time at checkout. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is active. That's the step that proves it's you. To pay in stores, double-press the side or top button, glance for Face ID confirmation or touch the sensor, then hold your iPhone near the reader until you see Done and a check mark. To finish a payment, hold your iPhone a few centimeters from the contactless reader and wait for the vibration, sound, and Done confirmation. That means the transaction went through. For transit, enable Express Transit to skip Face ID, useful in crowded stations. If a payment fails, make sure your card is verified, your iPhone has a connection for initial checks, and NFC is functioning. Restart your phone or re-add the card if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.